Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to block pop-ups in Google Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Under Privacy and Security section, click on Site Settings. Scroll down. Now under Content section, click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Currently, it is allowing all the pop-ups.
Toggle the button next to Allowed to turn it off.
This is how you can block pop-ups on Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching.